Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today we'll talk about Playwright and Artillery for UI node test. Node testing verifies that an application can handle anticipated concurrent users' requests or transactions when meeting defined service-level objectives, such as response time, throughput, and resource utilization. Node profile define how many users, run-up pattern, steady state, and run-down. Major node testing metrics. Response time, time taken from request sent to response received. Metric type description. Average mean response time. P90, 90% request faster than this. 95 SLA critical metrics. P99 defects outlines. Throughput, number of requests processed per second. Metric example, request per second, transaction per minute. Concurrency user, actually active user at any moment. Error rate, error type example, HTML 500 error, service error, timeout, SAL violation, functional error, incorrect responses. Percentage of fail request acceptance threshold usually less 1%. Resources utilization measured on server and infrastructure. Resources safe threshold, CPU less 75% memory, and disk I/O network. Latency, time spent inside the system. Sync time, stimulate user pull between actions to reflect real usage. Scalability metrics, line throughput growth, stable response time under increased load, auto-scaling efficiency. First, I use Visual Studio Code, create a project, name is Artillery. This is the Artillery project in the Visual Studio Code. Then I add this JavaScript file. I call it ccflow, and this is the file, and require Playwright test, and module export. This is a module, and here is a page. So go to the page. We go to this IDM loosened page and wait time. Click the link. Get this golf course link. Click and wait. Get this is URL, contain golf URL, and search. Click the search and tag A and click search button. This is general for the UI node test. Then I create a YAML file. This is a standard from the YAML file. Target, this is a URL. And the face here is a like the duration is a 60 and the rate 1 and the RAM up the 5. This is a warm face. And then this is a RAM load. And here is a defined value. You see here is the engine. Use the Playwright engine. Use the headless engine. And the processor, this is this file name ccflow.js. And here is a defined threshold, like the 99% and 95%. And this is scenarios. So this is you should write for the ccflow.js file and also UI test.yaml file. And then install this one. Should install because I not install this one. And so install Artillery. And then I check the Artillery version. You can tap this one. Let me see. Yeah, this is a version. Yeah, this is a version for the YAML file. Then I can run a test. You see here is like the output give this file name and also run this one. Yeah, run this one. It will take time. After run, we can get this file, but this file is harder to read by human. So I can transfer this file to HTML file. Okay, get this file. So I copy this file path and open it. So this is a result from the report. So you can see is a general summary. This is a request. This is a user, visual user, and this is what test we pass, we test. And here is the visual user field. If you read this one, you can see here is general have information here. So this is the information here. You can read it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow us or update, please subscribe. See you next time.